This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Install Power BI Desktop and verify you have server, database, port, and credentials. Once done, choose authentication type, SQL login or Windows, and make sure the SQL server allows remote connections. If using Windows Auth, ensure your account has DB permissions. If SQL Auth, have username and password ready. Now open Power BI, select Get Data, and pick SQL Server to begin the live connection process. You now configure connection details in the dialog. Type server as host, port or server /instance, and pick the database or leave default to browse. Then decide import versus direct query. Import caches data for speed, direct query queries live for real-time needs. Supply credentials when prompted and set the appropriate privacy level to prevent data leakage. If you need only specific rows, write a native SQL query in the advanced options. This reduces transfer and speeds model development. Once data loads, you shape it in Power Query, remove columns, set types, and define relationships to optimize visuals, then load to report view. For ongoing refresh, configure scheduled refresh in Power BI service and install an on-premises data gateway for local SQL servers. Make sure refresh credentials are saved. If something breaks, check credentials and firewall rules first. Most failures stem from permissions or blocked port 1433. Then review gateway status and error details to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.